Will AI take your job? Should you strike out on your own and start your own business? Or maybe you want to know if your ex is thinking about you. Do they regret betraying you? You may be in a prison of your own making when the Eight of Swords appears in a single card reading. Your biggest obstacle in this situation could be your mindset. This minor arcana card reminds us that yes, we have the power to cultivate patience and inner strength that will lead us to lasting success. A robed figure stands over a watery marsh bound and blindfolded, cut off from their senses and trapped by eight swords that are staked in the ground. The figure is isolated from the shelter and comforts of the cliffside castle behind them. An injustice may have occurred, a loss of domain or community, a job or leadership role due to competitive forces, distractions, deception, or other external influences beyond your control. Your authority may have been undermined. The castle could be a place you once occupied in someone's heart. Beneath the blindfold, your powerful inner vision is undisturbed by the pivot from the places and people that no longer serve your growth. It's an evolutionary process on your road to becoming your own boss, in charge of your own healing, in pursuit of how to transform your cage to a crown. The suit of swords is disruptive by nature. With air as its element, the seeker must navigate turbulence and the uncertainties of the future with intelligence and precision. Tech industries influenced by this suit include the communication and wireless industries, as well as cloud computing, space exploration, virtual and augmented realities, and artificial intelligence. The sword suit shows how you respond in crisis or conflict, how you master your opponent by mastering your mind and emotions. Choose your messaging with care and planning. The Eight of Swords encourages us to free ourselves from mistakes and regrets of the past in order to gain clarity and focus on building our next domain. Reclaim your power by reclaiming your time. It doesn't matter if your ex is thinking about you. AI, yes, is disrupting life as we know it. What business can you launch that will future proof your ability to compete in the constantly changing world of technology? Innovative ideas and resources are at your disposal when you free yourself from relying on external forms of validation. This is your call to chart a new path based on your inner vision and compass. The Eight of Swords in a yes or no reading means that whatever has happened, you're still standing. And in that sense, the card's answer is a resounding yes. Yes, you have the power to free yourself from the mental chains and self limiting beliefs that are keeping you a prisoner of the past. No, it's not too late to reinvent your future. You don't need permission to lead. Stop stressing about what other people are or aren't doing and focus on building the life of your dreams. Take those eight swords of transformation and slay all the distractions that prevent you from living your life with purpose and integrity. What would you like to know about the Eight of Swords? Let us know in the comments. Abundant blessings.